Maximize your yard's potential. Corner garden tips and tricks you'll love. Creating a beautiful outdoor space is not only about enhancing the aesthetics of your home, but it also provides a tranquil retreat for relaxation and outdoor living. One often overlooked area that has great potential for transformation is the corner of your yard. In this article, we will explore creative corner garden ideas that will help you maximize your outdoor space and create a stunning landscape design. Planning your corner garden. Assessing your outdoor space, start by evaluating the size and shape of the corner area you wish to transform. Consider the amount of sunlight it receives and its proximity to other elements in your yard. Designing a layout, sketch out a plan that incorporates your vision for the corner garden. Decide on the types of plants, seating arrangements, and other features you wish to include. Choosing the right plants, select plants that thrive in the local climate and are suitable for the specific conditions of your corner garden. Consider their growth habits, colors, and textures to create an appealing landscape. Creative ideas for corner gardens. Vertical gardens. Utilize the vertical space in your corner garden by installing trellises, wall-mounted planters, or hanging baskets. This not only adds visual interest but also maximizes the use of limited space. Multi-level planters. Build tiered planters or raised beds to add depth and dimension to your corner garden. This allows you to showcase a variety of plants while creating an eye-catching focal point. Water features. Incorporating a small fountain or a tranquil pond in your corner garden adds a sense of serenity and relaxation. The gentle sound of flowing water creates a soothing ambience. Seating areas. Create cozy seating areas within your corner garden by adding benches, swings, or even a hammock. These spaces offer a perfect retreat for enjoying a cup of tea or a good book amidst the beauty of nature. Lighting accents. Enhance the charm of your corner garden by strategically placing outdoor lighting fixtures. This will not only extend the usability of the space into the evening but also create a magical atmosphere. Maintenance and care. Regular watering and fertilizing. Ensure that your corner garden receives adequate water and nutrients to promote healthy plant growth. Follow the specific requirements of each plant and adjust watering schedules accordingly. Pruning and trimming. Regularly trim and prune plants to maintain their shape and prevent overcrowding. This will also help to improve air circulation and reduce the risk of diseases. Weed control. Keep your corner garden free from weeds by regularly pulling them out or using organic weed control methods. This will allow your plants to thrive without competition. Seasonal adjustments. Adjust your corner garden's design and plant selection based on the changing seasons. Consider incorporating seasonal flowers or evergreen plants to ensure year-round beauty. Enjoying the space. Finally, make the most of your transformed corner garden by spending time outdoors, hosting gatherings, or simply embracing moments of solitude in this serene oasis. With a little creativity and thoughtful planning, your corner garden can become the highlight of your outdoor space. By incorporating vertical gardens, multi-level planters, water features, seating areas, and appropriate lighting, you can create a stunning landscape that promotes relaxation and outdoor living. Remember to maintain your corner garden by providing proper care and enjoy the fruits of your labor as you embrace the beauty of nature right in your own backyard. A well-designed outdoor space can enhance the beauty and functionality of your home, providing a tranquil haven for relaxation and outdoor living. One area that often goes unnoticed is the corner garden, which presents a unique opportunity to transform and maximize your landscape. In this article, we will explore creative ideas to help you revitalize your outdoor space with a focus on corner gardens. By harnessing the power of innovative design, strategic plant selection, and thoughtful landscaping, you can create an enchanting oasis that rejuvenates both the mind and body. Utilize vertical space. One of the most effective ways to maximize a corner garden is to utilize vertical space. Consider installing trellises, pergolas, or vertical planters to add height and dimension to your outdoor space. These structures not only create visual interest but also provide support for climbing plants, such as ivy or jasmine, adding a touch of elegance to your garden. Create a water feature. Integrating a water feature into your corner garden can bring a sense of tranquility and serenity to the space. Consider installing a small fountain, bird bath, or even a pond. The sound of running water will create a soothing ambience, while aquatic plants like water lilies will add a pop of color and texture to your garden. Incorporate seating areas. To fully embrace the concept of outdoor living, incorporate cozy seating areas within your corner garden. Install a comfortable bench, swing, or hammock where you can unwind and enjoy the beauty of nature. By adding cushions, throws, and decorative pillows, you can create a welcoming atmosphere that encourages relaxation and contemplation. Use creative planting techniques. Experiment with creative planting techniques to make the most of your corner garden. Try vertical gardening by using hanging baskets or wall-mounted planters to showcase cascading flowers or trailing vines. Additionally, create depth and variety by mixing different heights, colors, and textures of plants. Opt for low-maintenance options like succulents or ornamental grasses, which thrive in various weather conditions and require minimal upkeep. Incorporate lighting. Extend the usability of your corner garden into the evening hours by incorporating lighting features. Install solar-powered pathway lights or string lights to create a magical ambience. Consider highlighting specific areas or plants with spotlights to draw attention and create visual interest. Proper lighting not only ensures safety but also adds a touch of enchantment to your outdoor space. With these creative corner garden ideas, you can transform your outdoor space into a haven of relaxation and beauty. By utilizing vertical space, incorporating water features, creating seating areas, experimenting with planting techniques, and incorporating lighting, you can breathe new life into your landscape. Whether you have a small or large corner garden, the possibilities for creative design are endless. So, embark on this journey of gardening and landscaping to create an outdoor space that truly reflects your personal style and offers a sanctuary for relaxation and outdoor living.